The past 2 days have been pretty volatile for Bitcoin. Yesterday with a big move to the upside, and today we pretty much gave it all back with a move to the downside. And I'm going to be diving into why we got this move down and what I'm looking for in the future. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications because we're bringing you the juiciest Bitcoin updates here on YouTube. Now, first of all, it's very important to understand that for the past 2 weeks, Bitcoin has been trading sideways, where we're basically going from the high to the low to the high to the low to the high to the low. And what that means is when we come to the highs, we should always be looking for short trades, and when we are coming to the lows, we should always be looking for long trades. Now, yesterday, when we got the big pump to the upside, you can see that we came up to this box called Short Box 1. And the reason why it's called Short Box 1 is because in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we were looking for this exact level up here, coming up to around the 786 Fibonacci, where we had some confluences near the top of the range where we were looking to take a short trade. And we can come over to our chart and take a look at what was happening on the indicator as we actually came up into that area. We can see that we did get multiple drives of bearish divergence. Actually, when we came up to the top of this box, you could see market Cipher B on the 12-minute was getting lower with momentum waves and money flow, always making, in my opinion, for a trade entry, for a short entry. Now, of course, when we enter the trades, we never know how low price is going to go. But then earlier again this morning, we can see here in hindsight that we actually got one last drive of bearish divergence as the price came up higher to hit that box, and the momentum wave on market Cipher B got lower. And of course, for anybody who doesn't know, the reason why this is so bearish is because if the price is getting higher, but we're actually watching the money come out of the asset, the move is unsustainable, right? Printing the dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boot pattern just before FTX went down. We actually saw this pattern on market Cipher B, predicting the crash of FTX. So that is why we have gotten the move down from the top of the range. And shout out to everybody in the Casper Crew. By the way, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord where we give these trade setups in advance and the levels every single day, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. Now let's talk about what's happening right now. Have we bottomed out? Well, we are coming to a key area of support. If we go and just look at this range once again, we can see that if we go ahead and we pull the Fibonacci from the most recent low that we got here to the most recent high, that we're actually bouncing perfectly from the Fibonacci golden pocket retracement right here. Now, this is a very, very important level. If in fact we are going to continue on with an uptrend, this is the area that we want to find support at, because it's more probable than not, if we lose the golden pocket, if we lose that 618 Fibonacci, that we actually come lower and actually put in a lower low. So this is actually a crucial zone of support, and this is one of the areas this morning in the Casper Crew New York Open live stream that we did with Boyan that we were really looking for this exact level right here. This is what we were looking at.
However, I like the daily and the golden pocket a little bit better here for potential long. So this is going to be G.
So we're looking at that daily golden pocket for potential long, and when we come down to that level, what do we see on our 12-minute oscillator? We can actually see a bullish divergence forming as the price actually comes down to tap into that golden pocket. We can see that we are getting the momentum waves higher as the price is getting lower, giving us that very juicy uneven butt cheek pattern where we've got the butt cheeks getting higher as the price is getting lower, which is how I was able to hop into a long scalp from this level. Now, the question is, are we going to come down lower from here, or have we bottomed out? Well, unfortunately, guys, we cannot know that for certain, right? People always ask, Jason, what's the price going to do? My answer is the same. It depends. We can't know what price is going to do. However, we can identify the key areas on the chart and say, look, if price comes to here and I see X, Y, and Z, then I have an opportunity on my hands. Well, here's what I'm looking at for potential trades in the future. We can see that if we lose the golden pocket, we are coming back down to the low of the range, right? We're going to be coming back down to the low of the range where we have our Fibonacci 76, very juicy confluence with the value area low, okay? So if we start to lose this support, then I will be looking down to around the 27,500 area, and what I would want to see on the 27,500 area is the same thing that we were looking at for the current long, right? We want to see not Da Vinci and Depends, but we want to see this woman at the diner with her uneven butt cheeks. So what we need to be doing is we need to be looking at some of these medium-term time frames, such as the 24-minute time frame, one of my favorites. And if we do something like this and we come down lower and we're seeing this juicy pattern right here, that could actually make for a very nice long entry. And of course, if we lose that 786, then that is a little bit bearish in my opinion, but we still have to be aware that as we come down to the lows of this range, we should be looking for the uneven butt cheek pattern, because until we actually lose this box right down here, this is still simply just a sideways range, okay? So that is what is happening with Bitcoin right now. That's why we got the moves to the downside. This is why we're currently getting a bounce. This is the next level that I am looking for, the $27,500 level. Guys, if you want to learn how to trade this way, check out jasoncaspertrading.com. You could join the community here. You could take the 2 courses. This will basically teach you how to become a confident, profitable trader, giving you that step A to step B process so that you can come to a blank chart, know exactly where your next trade setup is, what you need to see to get into the trade. Also, we have an advanced course that goes over market profile, TPO footprint charts. Also, take advantage of 0% limit fees on ByBit, guys. It's actually a really good deal for people who are scalping on lower term timeframes. If you deposit $100, you get 1 month free of our crypto fusion trading bot, our awesome tool that actually trades for you. Make sure to check it out if you are interested. That is it for this video, guys. I do pray everybody is super blessed in the name of Jesus, the Messiah, even if you are not religious. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.